Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1961 Ford Falcon panel truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we got the 302 Ford, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads. It's real nice green ignition wires customer wanted. All the wire markers are on there. Cobra valve covers with the matching Cobra air cleaner, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, quick fuel carburetor, aluminum intake manifold, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Customer wanted all the braided fuel lines. We put that on there with all the loop clamps, gas filters on there, oil pressure extension, high flow fuel pump. Customer's running a height suspension, so he needed the rear sump oil pan. We put that on there for him. Brass freeze plugs, painted the block black, oil stick and tube, proper standard flywheel for the customer's transmission, proper balance and tooth count for the 302 Ford, pilot bearings in there, all set, braided PCV line, customer wanted, we put that on there, manifold vacuum fitting for easy hookups, electric choke wire, it's real nice Raptor pulley kit, AC compressors on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioners, real nice. Running the lower hose on the passenger side, aluminum high flow water pump, thermostat housings on there, thermostats in place, bypass hoses on there, 160 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup, power steering pumps on there, proper fitting all set up. Every engine at the engine factory is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand. Manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, drop in ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call 1-800-326-6554 or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.